In this Postiz AI review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released AI software. If you're looking for the latest AI tool to boost your business or productivity, this could be a game changer. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal something important you won't want to miss. First off, Postiz AI is a powerful software designed to automate your content creation process. It's tailored for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses that need to streamline their workflow and save time while producing high-quality output. If you're tired of spending hours on content production, Postiz promises to simplify that, and trust me, it delivers. What sets Postiz apart from many other AI tools is its adaptability. Whether you're crafting blog posts, generating ad copy, or creating email campaigns, Postiz integrates advanced natural language processing that helps you create content that feels human, engaging, and persuasive. And the best part? It can write in various tones, whether you're going for professional, casual, or even humorous. Another standout feature is its ease of use. You don't need to be an AI expert or coder to make the most of Postiz. The user interface is intuitive, making it accessible for people with little to no tech background. After testing it myself, I can confidently say that the learning curve is minimal. You can start producing content right out of the gate without wasting time on complex setups. One of the things that really impressed me was the speed at which Postiz works. Within seconds of entering your input, it generates the content you need. This is a huge time saver, especially for busy marketers or anyone working under tight deadlines. Postiz also offers advanced customization options, allowing you to tweak and refine the content to suit your needs. For example, if you're not happy with the initial result, you can easily rephrase or add more detail to make it perfect. It's all about giving you control while still benefiting from AI's efficiency. In terms of pricing, Postiz provides great value. They offer a free version, so you can try it out with no commitment. This is a great way to explore all its features before deciding if it's right for you. And if you decide to upgrade, the pricing plans are pretty competitive, especially considering the advanced capabilities it offers. And here's something that stands out even more. Postiz AI isn't just about generating content. It can help with SEO too. The software can suggest keywords, optimize your text for search engines, and even guide you in improving your content for better rankings. This makes it a solid tool for marketers looking to combine AI-powered writing with SEO efficiency. Finally, Postiz is constantly improving. As AI technology advances, Postiz continues to update its features and capabilities. The developers are actively working to ensure it remains at the forefront of AI content creation. Now, before I wrap up, if you want to give Postiz a try yourself, make sure you check out the first link below. You can get started with their free plan and see if it's the right fit for your needs. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've picked a few of my top recommendations in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Postiz AI is a game changer, and if you're in digital marketing, content creation, or just looking to automate your processes, this is a tool you don't want to miss.